In this video, I'm going to show you how I cleanse my clients' lashes every time they come in for a fill or before a new set. So I give my lash cleanser a little shake. Then I'm going to squeeze out a small amount just below the brow. So I just let my client know that I'm just going to apply some cleanser just below their brow. That way it doesn't give them a fright when you put it straight onto the lashes. So then I gently work that down over the eyelid. They shouldn't have any makeup on their eyes anyway, but if they were to have a little bit of powder or residue, it will remove it. Then I work it down into the lash line, just like so. And then turning my wand around, I get in between each of the lashes to thoroughly give them a clean. Just like so. I dab off any of the excess shampoo with a tissue. Place a couple of tissues by the side of the eye. Gently tilting their head to that side. And using my rinse bottle here with a little nozzle, I start to rinse. I always let my client know that I'm about to do a rinse and start on the outer of their eye. So Kelly, I'm just going to start rinsing just on the outer and working my way inwards. Don't forget to rinse over the eyelid as well. And give it a really good rinse. I like to stretch the eye line just a little, just to make sure I get all of the shampoo residue. And then giving it a pat dry. So at this point, you can give your client a tissue and ask them to pat dry. I would normally cleanse both eyes first and then ask them to pat them dry. I give them a little brush with my mascara wand and then let them open. And that's how you cleanse the lashes.